Hello and welcome in the showroom of company Capello in Cuneo, Italy. My name is Pietro Vitale and I'm the area sales manager. Today we want to show you our heavy-duty cornhead Diamant. The Diamant header is available from 4 to 18 rows in different row spacings according to the countries or the needs of the customer. We have rigid and folding version of the Diamant in all the different models. I'm going to show you some details about the hoods and points of the Diamant. We have a very flat and low profile of the plastic components to ensure that we can pick up down corn and to avoid bouncing of cobs and kernel from the hoods. We have a wear strip here which is interchangeable, so you don't have to change the complete hood once the strip is consumed. Also we have the ear savers as on all other models to avoid kernel loss towards the front of the header. Cobs can also lay here and then are conveyed to the auger. Also the low profile of the plastic components is designed in this way to make the flow of material towards the auger easier and more even. The points are equipped with an anti-shock system, which means if you hit an obstacle, the point flips up in this position. This provides that the point doesn't break but remain in its original shape. Another advantage is that you can take hood and point off the header with one person without any tool. The conveyor auger is driven by this maintenance-free gearbox, and also here we can see the first optional equipment, which is the lateral auger, helping in case of down corn to bring the plant into the header. Now we are standing at the heart of the Diamant corn header, the row unit gearbox. The Diamant has a unique system for the deck plate registration. It's synchronized like that. The stem of the plant always comes centrally down between the rollers. The front sprocket is spring loaded to have the right tension of the conveyor chain at all times. It can be manually registered. It's hermetically sealed, so maintenance free. Also the deck plates themselves have a new design. It's bended upwards to avoid that kernel falls between the rollers. Here we see the stalk chopper, which can be switched off with a key. The position of the chopper is very advanced, which means as soon as the plant comes down through the rollers, the chopping starts immediately. The clutch is incorporated in oil bath. The rollers are relatively short because chopping immediately starts, as I said before. All the knives you see have a tungsten coating. The skids are here to protect the stalk chopper and also to avoid that the header runs into the soil. The gearbox is driven by a hex shaft, and the single pieces of the hex shafts are connected with this kind of couplers with a rubber damper in between. Since the Diamant header has been designed for harvesting big extensions, of course, the gearbox and its components are heavy-duty equipment, such as the chain or the spring inside here. The 6 and 8 rows models are chain driven. The chain is running in this cover in grease bath. whereas the bigger headers, as these 16 rows, as we see it here, are driven by a gearbox. Here we show you the gearbox of the 10, 12, 16 and 18 row model. It's a modular gearbox made of aluminum in-house by Capello. This drive gearbox is driven by a PTO shaft connected to the combine harvester. Here I also show you the first optional equipment, the stalk crusher. This is a tire protection or rubber belt protection in case you're harvesting very tough stubbles. The adapter frame is interchangeable and the Diamant header is adaptable to any combine model on the market. The angle of the adapter can be registered, so you always can find the right working position for your header and your need. As well, the multi-coupler is interchangeable according again to the combine model you are using. This is our new folding system, TL, and it is used on the big headers starting from 10 rows. The 6 and 8 rows still uses the horseshoe system, the previous folding mechanism. This is, as you can see, a very heavy-duty folding system to accelerate folding and also to use less hydraulic power. Now we are in the production line to show you the folding mechanism of the 6 and 8 row Diamant header. It's the so-called horseshoe system, and here you see the cylinder who is moving the horseshoe to fold and unfold the machine. Now we're back in the showroom and I show you briefly the scale for the deck plate movement. It always indicates you how wide they are open or closed. This is visible from the cap, so you can always check if you're okay with your deck plates. Of course, we also offer some useful additional equipment as the row guidance or the header height control. And also we offer a sunflower equipment for the harvest of sunflower with your existing corn head. Thanks for your attention. In case you need further information, do not hesitate to contact us.